Hello guys and welcome to another video. Here I will be playing Teardown again because you guys loved it last time, so let's just do another one, I guess. Please sandbox because I think to feature the mods. Cool. This one looks cool. But no. No, I should not. No, I will not. Right now. Okay. Last time I think we were on that map. This time we will be on this map. I like this map. We have the active mob, smoke gun, laser gun, minigun, and jetpack. Because jetpack is something that gives me mobility. Oh, I like. Oh my god, why did I? Oh, it has snow, that's why. No, don't like lights. Wait, is that a light? Oh, I can spray paint the light. Now we don't have a light there. Oh, is that a light? Nope, this is not a real gun. This is just an toy gun, you know. Not doing any marketing, but this game is beautiful, so yeah. Buy it if you can. 100% worth it. Oh, what's this? Oh, guys. You know you could put bombs. I'm gonna put some bombs in. I think this is like something radioactive. But I don't actually really know. So yeah, that's... It's good that you don't really know what you're putting in your freezer. Okay, like that, I think. Wait, I need to. I want to be able to use the forklift more if this whole place now blows up. I want to keep. Okay, I wanna have a little Oh shit! Like that. Oh, apparently not like. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, at least the floor's just gone here. Yo, let me in here. Yo, let me in here. Yo, look. I just have to throw that. So I will. He cut off this window. And I don't know if you could type in the comments. Oh yeah, by the way, that sniper rifle that I had earlier, it was just a toy gun. Just for reference, if someone asks, it was a toy gun. And then I can also put it so it is recommended for children too. So yeah, if someone asks, it wasn't a real gun. And for the records, it wasn't. It never was a real gun. And also for the record, I never told you guys to say that. So yeah. But say it so you YouTube don't get angry. I mean that I used a gun. Or, sorry, a Nerf. Because it was a Nerf gun. That's why I called it a gun. It was actually a sniper rifle. Oh wait, that's way too slow. I need to pull out the big boys. Is there even anything here? Okay, now we don't have this door here anymore. Now I don't have any wait, is this place? Oh wait, I just put some okay, now yeah, it caught fire here. Don't think that's good. When the fuck will that smoke stop? Wait, how does this look? Whoa, smoke. Okay, but it should not be fast. I always forget. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I actually wanna. This game's quite expensive, but I recommend it to the people that are watching this and enjoy this. Get it. It's worth it, I think. At least that's at least what I think. This is all just a Nerf gun. If anytime that I'm using it, then it's just a Nerf gun. And this is really loud, so I'm gonna stop doing that. Oh wait, what's this? I don't care about what it is because I wanna. Get this through that window. Okay, but I also want to throw this thing. Okay, I need to clean up after myself. You guys are probably not having as much fun as I do. That barely even flew a meter. No, I'm fine. I just have to do math homework later tomorrow. Oh shit, I have to do math homework. I don't want to do math homework. Oh my god. Math homework is not fun right now. Okay, I've cut off this window. And then I'll try to just put some explosives here and think if you guys want some lag, I can show you some lag. Now, I also want to steal a forklift and just drive it really fast in here and lift up this car I found here. But I also want to just get rid of the snow on my screen. Come on. You can grab it. My forks are too short. No! That was not good. Oh shit. Ah shit. That's not good. I need to get through this wall. I don't actually have to do that, but I have to get through here, and now it's a bunch of shit in the way because I was a little bit dumb and broke it. No! I'm falling down! I fell down like 5 floors. Get out! What? Safe factory? Nah. No, nothing's safe here. Especially with me. Then I'll pull out my Nerf gun later so I can just get rid of all of these wires. Because you see all of these wires. Yeah, I think they... Oh, it's all connected up there. They don't wanna climb. Okay, I have this. This is what I got out. Throw it out the window. Now I'll take my blowtorch. This is just my cheese smelter. So anyone does not get confused with blowtorch and cheese smelter. Oh shit, this catch! It started again. This is catching. That was... Okay. Burn! Burn! Oh, I think I found where it was. Okay, sit right there. Like that. Now I think how the fuck am I even supposed to... I think if I take a cable, put it... And then if I just cut off like from here with my cheese smelter. Yep, exactly what I thought would happen. Put a cable here and jump down with a car. Wait, if I find a car, hope I find something nice. Yeah. Oh, big fork! Big forklift! I found the big forklift! Ya la da da! Okay, what the fuck? Why is this piece of road here just collapsed? Why is this in the way for me? For the big fork? Okay, don't care, just smash our way through. Oh, I forgot about the new girl that's coming to a new school, and she's sitting right beside me. Yeah, and I wanna shoot myself. Okay, heavy machinery. I think I already have heavy machinery, my boy. Wait, if I can just... Okay. Oh, baby forklift! Baby forklift! Baby forklift! Oh, I just found a baby forklift. Baby forklift! Pet it. I just need to pet the baby forklift. And also maybe smash baby forklift.